So in this video, I'll show you how to set your Xbox One or Xbox Series X as your home Xbox so that you can share games and the Game Pass. So this is pretty simple. All you have to do is turn on your console, and then from here, select the settings icon at the top side of the screen. Select it. And then from here, go to the general option and select that. And within the general, select personalization. So choose that. Then scroll down and find the option My Home Xbox. So select that. You might be prompted to type in your PIN if you have set a personal PIN. So type in your PIN. Then give it a few seconds to load. Now from here, you'll see this option, Make this my Xbox. So make this my home Xbox rather. So you'll see a brief description what a home Xbox is all about. So when this is your home Xbox, people can play your downloaded games without you signing in. Plus, if you have an Xbox Game Pass, your whole household gets to enjoy it on this Xbox console. So select that, and then you'll be asked, other people in the household will get to play the games and enjoy the benefits of your Xbox game membership. And then you'll be told you have 5 switches left. So select Make this my home Xbox. Select that, and then give it a few seconds, and that's it. So that's basically it on how to do this feature or how to enable this feature. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.